Good evening, guys. Welcome back to another market analysis video. In this video, we'll be analyzing what happened to the market today and what are the possibilities for tomorrow. And along with that, we'll be discussing a few selected stocks for trading tomorrow. We'll try to explain it with charts. So, without wasting much time, just jump right into it. Let's see first what happened in Nifty today. Nifty was consolidating in this range for past 3 to 4 trading session, and interestingly today I just found this pattern. This is like a from this fall it's just rounding out. It's like a cup and handle. Okay, so and the candles are narrowing down. If you see the candles, it's just inside candles forming very tight range. So the possibilities are two. Like there is a chance to break out of this, so there is a possible upside move. So if this is broken, and I'm expecting around 25k at least, Nifty could this breaking this and closing above this point can take Nifty somewhere around 25 to 25 200. So we need to be a little bit cautious if it is breaking down. If it is breaking down, maybe no idea how. Maybe it'll come all the way to 23,800. I don't know. So these are the two possibilities. So I am expecting a up move because overall the even stocks are doing better. There are good structure in stocks. So I feel this is going to happen, but it's just my opinion. I could go wrong very well. And I'm not analyzing Bank Nifty. We'll just jump into CNX 500. This will give us an overall picture of the market, what is happening. Similar pattern, just formed a base, broke out, and then again, if you see, similar like a cup and handle only. Very similar, very similar. So these are the possibilities of overall market forming a cup and handle, narrow range candles. There are possibility it might break out. So now let's move to some good stocks which I found. The first one is Wabag Limited. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it right. I think it's Wabag. So here, this was our ideal entry. Stock retested from this, like the base is broken out and it retested, and it is again forming a good contraction, and contracting near this resistant level. So where is your entry? Just wait for this level to be taken out. I'll put the entry somewhere around here. Okay, yeah, 1952. Let's keep it as 1952, above 1952, and this is a probable target 2261. SL, this is the SL closing basis. SL, okay, SL is always closing basis. So what is the risk? Risk is around 16 percentage, and hardly you'll get 1 is to 1. Yeah, hardly 1 is to 1, but the stock has potential to go up also. So keep this on your radar, and keep this for medium term. Like, this might not be a good ideal candidate for a short term momentum trades. And the next one is very interesting one, Creative Newtech Limited. uh, Creative Newtech Limited was inside this, consolidating from almost a year. Yeah, November 23, and then it just broke out from this base. It was a very big base. You can call it a Davos box or a base. Volumes are slightly picking up, but it needs more improvement. What caught my attention is this: it's forming a kind of a VCP pattern, and again a cup and handle. So this cup and handle is one of my favorite patterns. Okay, so you keep an eye on. Henry is here, 1049, and this is the probable target 1247. You can keep the SL around here. So what is our risk? If you're entering from here, our risk will be close to 13 to 14%. That is fine, but ideally if you're building position, you can keep your SL here. I'll just name it as positional SL. So positional SL, you need to be really careful with position sizing. You can't be aggressively putting all the money in one stock, and if it hit your SL, it's a very deep SL. Positional SL is very deep. So position size and don't buy at once. buy on small dips and or maybe pyramid in this. That is up to you, that is up to your trading style. So next talk we are going to discuss is VLE governance. VLE governance is part of digital theme. So digital theme is actually gaining a lot of prominence in India nowadays. So you have to keep this in mind. I mean, shakeouts could happen, and then brutal shakeouts could happen. But this stock exhibited one good move. It's like trading in this channel, and it just broke down from this channel and again quickly moved up to this channel. And right now it closed inside this channel. And interestingly, one double bottom and a cup and handle can be seen. So today, interesting part is that it broke out of this cup and handle, and this is good resistance 167.4. So it closed 167.82. So it closed just below that, but volumes are good. So if market is going to slightly gap up tomorrow, this will trigger. So I kept it little bit above our this candle. Okay, the entry I kept it as 170. So wait for 170, or maybe you can tweak it and then move it little bit like this. Maybe somewhere around this 168. Oh yeah, 168.67. Yeah, 168 or 169. About take a trade above 169. Okay. SL is, this is the ideal SL. So let's see what is the risk part here. 10%. This is good enough. 10% risk, and I am expecting this stock to hit the ATH very soon. Previous ATH, and expecting somewhere around here. Okay, so let's say 210. We'll keep this as our target. Keep this as our target one. Okay, so SL is around here, 151, and our target is 210. Risk is around 10.3.4%. And the last stock for the day is Sarlapoly. This a little bit tricky stock. It it used to, after breakout, after breakout, and then it used to consolidate a lot. So yeah, this T1 further addition, because I already ideal entry was somewhere around here. Okay, if you took entry during this breakout and then retest, this would have been your T1, and it just broke out of this all-time high, and the volumes are building up, really good volume. So what you can do, you can take trade in this region. Okay, in this area. Let me see. Yeah, this is a buying area. I'll keep this as a buying area. So either if you are an aggressive trader, you can take an entry above this. If you are a very aggressive trader, okay, and keep your SL somewhere around here. Okay, this is for aggressive traders. SL is 110, and then entry above 129. Okay, if you are a positional trader, what you can do is that when the stock is opening up tomorrow, whether, let's see whether it is gapping up or gapping down or whatever, keep this as a buying range, and then maybe deploy 30% here and wait for a retest can be like this, or maybe a big shakeout. You expect that, and if it's doing a big shakeout and then forming a base and breaking out, you can add the rest of 70%. So these are the two ways you can trade. And for positional people, you're taking entry somewhere around here. Positional SL is this, which is very deep, which is 24%. Okay, why I kept this as 24% is this, because of this. It moves a bit and then traps everybody and then shake out mercilessly. So this could happen, and then move again. Okay, and then set up again and then move to our direction and then create an all-time high, new all-time high. This is why I kept the SL somewhere around here. So we got 4 stocks for tomorrow, and the Nifty stance is also as of now positive. Keep in mind, it's positive only if this is broken and closed in this area. Otherwise you need to be careful. And again, position sizing, risk management, everything is very important. And then don't trade based on tips. Enter the stock if you understand the price, if you understand the company, and if you know how to manage your risk. Otherwise, my suggestion is not to enter. At least try to learn. The idea of me posting it every day is so that somebody can learn. I was just a beginner like you one time. So try to learn, do your due diligence, do your homework, have happy trading and profitable trading. So see you tomorrow with another video, guys. Thank you so much for listening to me. Take care. Good night.